things I have. In every moment your love I gladly grasp. For the joy and the peace that fill my days, I lift my heart in grateful praise. For the laughter shared and the simple things, for the comfort and the hope.
Minsan, mas mahalaga ang luha kaysa ngiti. Kahit sino pwede mong ngitian, pero ang luha, tutulo lang sa taong di mo kayang iwan.